Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in a Ford Fusion, and this is from model years 2013 to 2017. You may have this fob that looks like this. So if your batteries run out, this is how you change it. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure you have the flip key fob version of this, and go ahead and flip the key out. And at the base here, right about the midpoint, kind of where my finger's pointing here, there's a small indentation between this backing and the main part of the fob, and we need to get this backing off here. So what you need to do is take like a small flathead screwdriver, or if you have a little small kit like this, put it in that indentation spot there, and you'll be able to get leverage to pry off this backing. So you can see that notch right there. So that's where we put in our flathead to get this backing off. So now we've got this off, we can see the battery that we need to change, and this is a CR2032 3 volt coin battery. So go ahead and pop that thing out. It might fly off like that, but that's fine. And when you get a new one of these, just make sure that when you are replacing, oh my gosh, if I can get this thing off the table, when you're replacing this battery, just make sure that the lettering is facing towards you. That's the positive side. Pop a new one back in, and then just this backing will just pop right back in, and that's it. So that's how you change the key fob battery for the Ford Fusion if you've got this flip key version.